So here is the most important part of the your background. Your model is dependent on how you make the surrounding and what is your camera angle in the model and design. So I'll show you how to design and how to manipulate the view with the surrounding and make the artificial surround. So let's get jump on it. Here is the nature. You can find in trees and shrubs and leaves and other detail element like nature element, leaves, and you can drive. I show you in the 2 or 3 example. In first one is the broadleaf. I just quickly select the foliage tree. I basically most of me use. I just click on that. Not this one. This is. I select the one tree. Okay. So after you clicking on, you can see the size of the tree. You can customize also, but it's the original size placed in it. So what I do is just select the huge tree like banyan to cover my most of the skyline. Okay, where is it? Where is the Japanese pine? This is the also smaller size. So I select this one, showing you. Just go where you want to place the tree. So if you click it, it place the trees. Okay, so I click this here, it place the trees. So if you need to be careful in this part. You can place it anywhere. If you don't check the tree is correctly placed or not, it show you like this. It's in the through the wall of, and it looks badly after the render, or showing the other professional peoples, they will find you easily. So make sure you are placing in the right place. This is the most effectively thing you need to check before the placing the mask. So here is the, you can also placing in the mask. So just I double click on it, I click the tree what I want to place. This is the mask placement. I just click here and starting point, and this is the ending point. I just click on. You can set the multiple trees as your selection. This is the controller. This is the number of tree you want to place, and check out and check the ending and starting point. You can also customize this one. This is it here. Okay, I place it here. You can also randomize the directions of the trees. This is the rotation in the random direction. You can placement is horizontal and vertical placement. You can change. This is the direction of the trees as per your requirement. You can do it. In the mask placement, like cluster, you can place the cluster. What is do is click on that and it place the whole area. Make sure you don't place much trees because it's heavier for the render or your PC to refresh the rate of the Lumion. So make sure place the trees as per your requirement, not much trees, because it makes the file larger to refresh and update. So I just place it. I do not have this problem because I have heavier PC, Alienware. I do not have this problem. You make sure as per your PC. If you have heavy PC, just make sure you can do it. So here I place how to check the skyline is, what technique I basically use is, I just go to photo tab, just click on that photo tab. First I do is basically I set the camera angle. I'll show you quickly one. So what I do basically in every time, I just set the camera angle like my perspective or my which render I need to do is just click that, and here you can see the skyline and the blank spot. Here is the blank spot also, you can see. You need to fill this gap, otherwise it shows the very bad render, and the clutter surface, it shows the very bad environment. So I need to do is place the some of the trees here. So I do is I place the one cluster here to hide this one. You can go and check simultaneously. So this is it, and this is the paint placement. You can paint anywhere you want. This is the actually newer option in the Lumion, so it's much easier, but carefully it's make your file much heavy. So do not place much trees in it. So this is it. That's the tree part. You can check also. This is the palm tree. You click on that and place it anywhere. I place the tree. What I need is, after placement of tree, I can transform. This is the moving tools, horizontal and vertical. You can, the control is the basically same. You can rotate it from any direction you want. This is the scale option. You can resize the trees as you requirement you want. Shortcut of the rotation is R. After selecting R, you can make the rotation. After that, you can deselect this and delete this tree. So after that, what you do is there is the human panel. You can explore the other option. There are the shrubs and trees. You can place what is the, like the basically the system is same. You select this one and click anywhere, it places anywhere. Okay, so what next option is the people and dogs. You can see the much of the people here. I just select the cycle one. You can place it anywhere as per your road, as per your requirement. I just place this is the walker, this is the African, the man is walking. Set the angle and the direction, rotation. Do not manipulate with the human scale or vehicle scale. Be careful because it's the element of the scale of the whole model, otherwise it will look the much funnier and the wrong model. This is the wrong representation, so be careful in that. Can select as per you need. This is the sitting man. You can place the chair anywhere, furniture, and sit the person here. So the person is sitting now. This is the dogs and animals. This is the 2D basically see out without the color. Some people like to place the blank model in the your is used, so you can place it. This is 2D animals. This is the birds and the other. You can explore as per as you are much detailing part in it. This is the swimming. You can dig the water and place the man in the water. I'll show you in the later part, detail one. So here is the basic human placement. Is the kids, girls, boys, and the pets. You can select. This vehicle are the same. This is the all the vehicles. The car, sports car, SUV, vans, buses, construction yard, boats. You can place the steamer also. You can place the. If your model is the landscape and the sea facing with the seashore, you can place the as per your region, but careful with region. You can use balloon, you can place anything. I place the aeroplane also. The method is same. You can just place it and scale the model. You carefully scale the model. Okay, so I just select the car, which car you want to place. I just select this one car, just click and before this you can control rotation by I control this. I set the direction for the car. If you want to like to showing the walking car you can place on the road, otherwise you can show in the parking also. After in the specification, just click on it. You can customize the setting. This is the number plate also. I think you are customizing. The new Lumion has the option, I think, to customize. Just this. No, this is not. Okay, this is the country code you can change. You can. This is not necessary and not much part to go to it, so leave it here. Just this is the all you can try. Just place the camera other side so you can easily show the controls of the controls. So what you do is just select the vehicle and placement. You can turn on, turn off the light also. You see the light are flickering. See, this is the light on off option. This is the metallic paint option. You can change, customize. You can change the color also of the car, and you can show driver on or off. Here's the dummy driver, not much realistic, but it shows like driver. So click on off, you can customize this one. This is the tool of the car, same as for the furniture objects. You can place here I place the camera. Okay, here is the best. So you can place the furniture like that also. You can place the garden furniture anywhere. I just set the persons. You can customize by going the customer tab. So I just this is the placement of the human. Okay, so this is the objects you can find by searching. This is the tables, electronics and lighting, exterior. This is the stuff for garden, like the gazebo and chairs, garden chairs and that stuff. You can place easily from anywhere here. So that is the outdoor lighting. Okay, this is the lighting stuff is different from this one. These are the 4 tools. First you need to practice. After that you try to make the sky view or night view and the other lighting view. So I basically prefer you to just check out these 4 options in the first part, and I show you the other ones in the details in the other videos.